Hello, my name is Japtik Singh Bamra. I am a class 12 student of Dalhousie Public School, Badhani, and I am incredibly honored to be the recipient of Honours Grad EU International Scholarship. This recognition is not just about me, it is a tribute to every mentor, institution, and platform that believed in a young student's dream and helped me turn that idea into an innovation. To begin with, I would express my deepest gratitude to Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, for opening the gates of CSIR to school students across India through his visionary programs like Jigyasa Initiative. Your leadership, sir, has made it possible for young minds like mine to engage with the world-class science at such an early age. Heartfelt thank you also goes out to the Director General of CSIR for supporting such an inclusive and inspiring program, which is truly a launch pad of innovation on its own. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to the entire Jigyasa team at CSIR and the onboarding coordinators at CSIR IIIM Jammu for providing a seamless and enriching research experience. I'm especially thankful to Dr. Zabir Ahmed, sir. If you're watching this, I'm really thankful to you. You are the reason that I got the full access to the institute's resources. You believed in our idea, and that is the reason the idea has succeeded today. I got all of the monitoring process by you. I got regular insights by you. Your feedback sessions were truly grateful because they helped improve the project each session by session. I was incredibly fortunate to receive Dr. Nasir as my mentor. He's a senior scientist at CSIR IIIM, and from the very beginning, the moment I simply had an idea, I had no prototype, he was by my side 24/7. He helped me move from an idea, the seed of an idea, to a blueprint. At that blueprint then later moved to multiple prototypes, and that finally became an innovation. Together, we went through multiple prototypes, industry-grade material testing, design, permutation, combinations, and performance evaluations. Under his mentorship, we have developed the SolarMech engine, which eventually won the first prize at Jigyasa Hackathon, a national-level competition which among thousands of participants across India. And I'm still grateful to the Jigyasa team for considering our project worthy of recognition. But our journey did not stop there. We did not stop after receiving the first prize at Jigyasa. We still tirelessly worked with the project, the innovation, the SolarMech engine. We applied to the Honours Grad EU Fellowship, a global platform, and I feel incredibly honored to have won the first prize, receiving a $10,000 scholarship, and we also received a $5,000 grant for the project. So to give a brief insight of the scholarship organization, they select only top 5 winners internationally, and amongst those 5 winners, only a single student is selected to receive the grant. And with the grace of God and all your blessings, our team received that grant to continue funding SolarMech engine. Since then, I have received offers from top 10 universities across the world, including Purdue, Texas A&M, Texas Dallas, UC, Riverside, University of California, and much more universities, and some of my applications are still under review. So throughout this phase and this journey, Dr. Zabir Ahmed and Dr. Nasir continued to take regular updates and guided me on every step. I'm deeply grateful to CSIR IIIM for providing such a nourishing ecosystem where ideas are not just heard and simply ignored. Ideas are heard, they are shaped, they are challenged, and they are strengthened. This journey has shown me the true value of mentorship, collaboration, and having the right platform to express my vision. So this has been a very beautiful journey. To every student watching this video, just align yourself with CSIR, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Participate in such competitions and stay curious, and seek opportunities that let your passion fuel your purpose. Let's work together to a meaningful Viksit Bharat 2047, a vision laid out by Honorable Prime Minister to build a progressive and self-reliant India. Once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Honours Grad EU team, CSIR IIIM, and Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology. And everyone who supported me throughout this journey, I really thank them as well. This achievement is not mine, this is our together. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Meet Japtik Singh Bamra, a young innovator making India proud. Mentored under CSIRI IIM Jigyasa Hackathon, Japtik's solar mech engine earned the Honors Grad U 2025 scholarship and $15,000 in funding. His eco-friendly solar mech engine efficiently converts solar energy into power, developed at CSIRI IIM Cutting Edge Labs. Chosen from thousands globally, Japtik is the first Indian to receive the top honor since 2012. CSIR IIM Jammu, empowering young minds, driving global change.